What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping in the next one on our Ruido Rosa journey. This is Miedo, Caer, and Vivo. Okay, so a Vivo song coming at us via donation from Alex and Rachel. Much love to the both of you. We have the lyrics pulled up. Are they right? I don't know. We're probably just gonna end up catching the vibe and seeing how it goes. So sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. Let's roll. At the venue. They speak a universal language called rock and roll. That's exactly what it is. Everybody that is into it is going to be into this. They seriously slayed their instruments. The vocals are on point. This is hard. It's badass, even though it's in Spanish. Like, it's something to listen to, whether or not you understand what they're saying. Listen to it for the musical vibe that it is. Not everything has to have lyrics in the first place. All right, tell me what there is to know about Ruido Rosa. Let me know what's going on. Give me the backstory. Where'd it come from? When did it start? How did it all come about? Because we definitely need to go on a journey. This seriously is epic rock and rolling. Like, let's go. We don't need a translation. I'm cool with just vibing. Give me the names. Tell me who everybody is. They're making it talk. All right, yeah, definitely give me the backstory. Where'd they come from? Are they related? Are they just friends? How'd they meet up? Give me the whole 9 yards of how this came in to be, so that we can know some more. There ain't much else to say about that. Like, it was just an awesome display of talent. Like, we don't have lyrics to go by, so all we got is a vibe. 100% able to vibe to things. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Check out one of my other videos up there. Subscribe right here if you want to see more content, possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.